When it comes to oral care on the go, convenience is key. And that's exactly what we're looking at today with the Crest Scope Mini Brushes. Whether you're on a busy workday or jet-setting across the globe, having a quick and effective way to freshen up your mouth is essential. But how well does this product actually perform when it's time to use it? Let's dive in and see if this travel-sized toothbrush set can truly deliver. So, what's inside the box? The Crest Scope Mini Brushes come in a set of 12 brushes, divided into 6 packs, each containing 2 brushes. This makes them super portable, perfect for slipping into your purse, work bag, or suitcase. Each brush is designed with high-quality bristles, and it also includes a multi-ridge tongue cleaner and an interdental pick. One of the key selling points of this product is that it doesn't require water, so it's great for situations where you don't have access to a sink, or for those times when you're in a rush. The design is simple but efficient. The bristles are soft enough to be gentle on your gums, but firm enough to clean your teeth effectively. The interdental pick is a nice touch, helping to get into those hard-to-reach spaces between your teeth, while the tongue cleaner works to freshen your breath, ideal for post-coffee or after a meal. In terms of usage, these mini brushes are incredibly easy to incorporate into your routine. You simply take one out of the pack and you're ready to go. No water, no mess. I've used them in a variety of situations, from a quick refresh during a busy workday to a quick brush in the middle of a long flight, and they've consistently performed well. The compact size makes them easy to handle, and the brush feels sturdy enough for a decent clean. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Crest Scope Mini Brushes are incredibly convenient. They're portable, easy to use, and come in handy when you're in need of a quick freshen up. The inclusion of a tongue cleaner and an interdental pick really elevates the functionality. This isn't just a one-step brush, it's a mini oral care system in your pocket. However, there are a few downsides to consider. While the brush works well for a quick refresh, it doesn't provide the same level of cleaning as a full toothbrush with toothpaste. This is something to keep in mind if you're looking for a thorough clean. Also, it's worth noting that the packaging is not refillable, so you'll be tossing them once they're used up, which isn't the most eco-friendly choice. As for value for money, these mini brushes are definitely priced well for their convenience, especially if you frequently travel or need an on-the-go solution. At under $10 for a pack of 12, they offer a decent price for the quality and practicality they provide. That said, if you're someone who values sustainability, the single-use nature of the product may feel a bit wasteful in the long run. If you're someone who's concerned about eco-friendliness, you might want to consider alternatives such as bamboo travel toothbrushes or reusable toothbrush heads. These may require a bit more effort to pack and clean, but they align better with a more sustainable approach to oral care. Now, before we wrap up, if this review has been helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this. And if you're thinking about getting these Crest Scope Mini Brushes, the link is down in the description box. To wrap things up, the Crest Scope Mini Brushes offer a practical, no-fuss solution for freshening your breath and brushing your teeth while you're on the go. They're a great addition to your travel kit, but they're not a substitute for regular oral hygiene with your full-size toothbrush and toothpaste. Overall, I think these are great for specific situations, like travel or quick touch-ups at work, but not for everyday use. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.